Hi everyone, it's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10-Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures market in the upcoming week. So let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. Our first event, there is no trade room, but it's Monday evening, 8:30 p.m. for Australian retail sales. Our first trade room is Tuesday morning at 9:30 for CB Consumer Confidence. We're going to be watching the 5-year note auction. That's a new event. I want to see if it moves the market, CB. We'll be back in the trade room at 4 p.m. on Tuesday for the API report. And then Tuesday evening at 8:15, we have Family Money Trade Australia CPI. Wednesday morning, we'll be in the trade room at 9:45 for pending home sales and crude oil inventories. And then again at 12:30 p.m. for the Family Money Trade, the 7-year note auction. Thursday at 8 a.m. we'll be in the room for final GDP and unemployment claims. We'll come back at 10 a.m. for natural gas storage, and then 9:15 in the evening for Chinese manufacturing, non-manufacturing. Friday morning at 2 a.m., no trade room for the British GDP current account reports. We'll start 8 a.m. on Friday for the core PCE price index and Canada's GDP. We'll be back at 9:30 for Chicago PMI and the revised University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report, and we'll finish out the week with 11:30 a.m.'s quarterly grain report. Quite a few good events this week, so make your way into the trade room, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. It's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director. See you next week. Have a great rest of your weekend.